In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Snowflake query performance. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, understanding how to evaluate your database queries can significantly impact your efficiency and effectiveness. Let's dive into the first step of this important process. You'll begin by accessing the query history. To do this, navigate over to the Monitoring section within your Snowflake interface, and from there, click on Query History. This area is essentially the gateway to understanding how your queries have been performing. It provides a record of executed queries, offering details like start time, execution time, and more. Familiarizing yourself with this tool can be invaluable for digging deeper into how your queries operate. Once you're in Query History, your next step is to analyze a specific query profile. Take your time to browse through the list to select a query that you want to investigate further. By clicking on it, you'll be able to view its execution details. This section is a goldmine of information, showcasing everything from the query's execution plan to its duration. Now, navigate to the Query Profile tab, an essential part of understanding where potential performance bottlenecks may occur. This tab visualizes data in a detailed yet comprehensible manner, displaying metrics such as processing time and data scanned. You can use this information to identify areas that might need optimization. Pay special attention to the most expensive nodes section within the query profile. This part is particularly critical as it highlights the operations within your query that are consuming the most time and resources. Being able to pinpoint these time-consuming operations can assist you in fine-tuning your queries effectively. It allows you to focus on specific areas where performance improvements will be most beneficial. Remember, understanding the nuances within these profiles not only helps in enhancing query performance, but it also contributes to better resource utilization and cost efficiency. Often, simply adjusting a poorly optimized segment can significantly boost overall performance. As we wrap up this tutorial, remember that checking and analyzing Snowflake query performance isn't just a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that will benefit significantly from regular assessments and updates based on what you learn. It requires exploration, learning, and iteration. If this is your first time diving into query optimization, it might seem a bit daunting. However, as with anything, the more you practice and familiarize yourself with the tools at your disposal, the more intuitive and straightforward it becomes. Thank you for watching and taking the time to learn how to check Snowflake query performance. Stay tuned for more tutorials that help make the most of your database systems. Make sure to apply your new skills and watch how your optimizations improve query effectiveness over time.